Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. It is submitted by the learned counsel for the petitioner that the services of the petitioner have been terminated without following the due procedure of law and without any enquiry deors the Life Insurance Corporation of India within bracket staff regulation 1960 and without considering the declaration of caste of the petitioner wide caste certificate dated 7/8/2018 issued by the state of Punjab. Stop. The petitioner is also seeking a declaration that once a fresh caste certificate has been issued in favor of the petitioner by the competent authority, the same is required to be considered and taken note of. Stop. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that on 28/8/1989 the petitioner was appointed as Apprentice Development Officer at Life Insurance Corporation of India under reserved category and the caste certificate which was submitted by the petitioner was bearing number 3097/89 dated 4/4/1989 issued by the District Welfare Officer Ranchi. Stop. He submits that one criminal case being RC 20 within bracket S was instituted wherein charge sheet was submitted in the year 2009. Stop. A copy of the said charge sheet was forwarded to the District Welfare Officer Ranchi by the Senior Divisional Manager Life Insurance Corporation of India at Jamshedpur, pursuant to which the District Welfare Officer Ranchi issued memo number 1746 within bracket 2 dated 25/5/2010 cancelling the caste certificate issued to the petitioner as back as on 4/4/1989. Stop para. Learned counsel for the petitioner also submits that it has been recorded in the aforesaid cancellation memo dated 25/5/2010 about the conclusion of the charge sheet of the said criminal case. Stop. It has been alleged in the cancellation memo that the petitioner, being a general category candidate, dishonestly applied for the post of Apprentice Development Officer in Life Insurance Corporation of India, a post exclusively advertised for scheduled caste / scheduled tribe candidate claiming that she belongs to scheduled caste category and obtained the said job in Life Insurance Corporation of India by falsely claiming herself as scheduled caste candidate and by dishonestly concealing the fact that she belongs to Khatri caste of general category. Stop. Learned counsel further submits that pursuant to the cancellation of the caste certificate of the petitioner and on the same allegation, charge sheet cum show cause notice dated 24/6/2010 was issued to the petitioner by the Life Insurance Corporation of India, wherein some allegation was made that the petitioner, being a general category candidate, applied for the post of Apprentice Development Officer exclusively advertised for scheduled caste / scheduled tribe candidate on the strength of certificate dated 4/4/1989 and the caste certificate was cancelled by the District Welfare Officer Ranchi wide memo dated 25/5/2010. Stop. The petitioner was asked to show cause within a period of 15 days from the date of receipt of the said charge sheet cum show cause notice as to why the penalty of dismissal from service. Stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that in the aforesaid background, the petitioner had filed a writ petition being WP number 2760 of 2010 and wide order dated 10/8/2010 passed in the writ petition. It was indicated that the writ petition was confined to the validity of aforesaid order dated 25/5/2010 passed by the district welfare officer. Stop. Over.